Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will learn how to Google AdSense PIN verification. Finally, after 2 months later, I am receiving verification code from the Google AdSense account. So, which types of letter I am receiving exactly and how to verify using this PIN code my Google AdSense. And after verifying this account, next month definitely I am receiving my first YouTube payment. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. First of all, I am telling you which types of verification error showing your Google AdSense account. So just open your Google AdSense account, type in any types of browser in Google AdSense, and this link, you click on that particular link, wait couple of seconds. So this is a verification account of my brother, and right now here one message are coming, your payment currently hold because of you are not verify your address. And here this verification you billing address available here. I am receiving verification code. Click here and type here 6-digit PIN number. So today morning I am receiving this AdSense account later, and here look at this, my address is available here, like my full name, my address, country or state. And then after I just open this later, look at this, which types of information available on, including this inside the letter. So right now I open this letter, and that one is my 6-digit verification code and some explanation available here, step 1, 2, 3 and 4, using this PIN how to process everything. So let's start. I open my AdSense account. So it's very simple to open AdSense account and verify here. Look at this here, verification options are available here. I was explained everything earliest video, you can see, visit, and here verify and add here 6-digit PIN number. So I am adding my 6-digit PIN number here, 96318687, and submit. Just I click the submit button and magic comes. Yeah, of course my address verification is done. And after verification, look at this error also remove here, like I am refreshing my browser now, and this error are dismissed from this particular page. It's very simple. But I am receiving this verification code after 31st of October. I am applying for this verification code, and just yesterday evening I am receiving this verification code. It's very simple. And then next month I am receiving my first YouTube payment in my bank account direct. Hope you like this video. You have any suggestion for this particular video, you have any question regarding the Google AdSense verification, you are comment me. I will give you response as soon as possible. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.